Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss again 20 GK questions relating to civics. But before that, before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, moving on to the first question. Yesterday it was the longest Chief Election Commissioner of India, who was KVK Sundaram. Today it is who served as the Chief Election Commissioner of India for the shortest tenure. The answer is V.S. Ramadevi. Shortest tenure was of V.S. Ramadevi for Chief Election Commissioner. The next question is, where is the code of conduct of political parties given? I repeat, where is the code of conduct of political parties given? The answer is Representation of People Act 1951. So code of conduct is Representation of People Act 1951. The next question, an official appointed by the political party to regulate and monitor the behavior of its members. The answer is whip. I repeat the answer. The answer is whip. Next question. Which body in India is called the Protector of Human Rights? I repeat, the Protector of Human Rights. The answer is National Human Rights Commission. I repeat the answer. The answer is National Human Rights Commission. Next question. The National Human Rights Commission chairman will be, well, the answer is a former Chief Justice or Judge of Supreme Court. Only they can be the National Human Rights Chairman. Well, next question. Who was the first chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? The answer is Justice Ranganath Mishra. He was the first chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Ranganath Mishra, Justice. Next question. System of government in which the means of production, land and labor, capital and organization is wholly controlled by the state is known as? It's socialism. The answer is socialism. Moving on to the next question. Which article deals with the prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor? The answer is Article 23. I repeat the answer. The answer is Article 23. Well, moving on to the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution says no child below the age of 14 shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment? The answer is Article 24. I repeat the answer. The answer is Article 24. Moving on to the next question. Which article of the Constitution is related to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment? The answer is Article 16. I repeat, the answer is Article 16. Well, moving on to the next question. The question is, the Constitution forbids the employment of children below the age of dash in dangerous jobs. The answer is 14 years of age. Constitution forbids them from employment of children below the age of 14 in dangerous jobs. Next question. The employment of children below 14 years of age in hazardous occupation are prohibited under which right in Indian Constitution? The answer is again Article Right Against Exploitation. I repeat, the answer is right against exploitation. Next question. Which article deals with the prohibition of employment of children in factories? The answer is Article 24. I repeat the answer. The answer is Article 24. Moving on to the next question. When was the POCSO, that is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, passed? POCSO was passed in the year 2012. 2012. Moving on to the next question. First chairperson of the National Commission for Women. The answer is Jayanti Patnaik. I repeat, the answer is Jayanti Patnaik. Moving on to the next question. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, that is PWDVA, came into force on? The answer is 26th October 2006. I repeat the answer. The answer is 26th October 2006. Moving on to the next question. Which article of the Constitution is related to equal remuneration to men and women, that is equal salary to men and women? The answer is 39D. I repeat the answer. The answer is 39D. Moving on to the next question. What is the tenure of chairperson of State Women's Commission in Kerala? The answer is 5 years. I repeat the answer. The answer is 5 years. Well, the next question is, what is the tenure of chairperson of the National Commission for Women? National Commission of Women tenure is 3 years. The answer is 3 years. Well, the next one is the final question. The last question, the publication of National Commission for Women. I repeat, the publication of National Commission for Women. The answer is Rashtra Mahila. I repeat the answer, the publication is Rashtra Mahila. Well, that's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.